Good evening, guys. Welcome back again to my YouTube channel. And remember, I have been relocated to another, um, hotel where I'll be spending some um, one more or two more nights. All right. And as you can see, it's more or less the same as the other one. So I'll just give you a quick tour before I showcase to you a gift that I received here in South Africa. But before now, this is the entrance. This is the external door, and this is the entry porch. So I'll be going to that particular door and start a vlog from there, and I'll actually show how it goes from this side. So the porch on the right, you'll see this particular big mirror over here, just like the other one. There is this particular mirror where you can actually see yourself before you walk out or before you get in. All right, and just the opposite of it here, this door you can see over here. Yes, this door. Let's open it and see. It is a shower area, and here you remember there is no. Yeah, we have been demoted to this particular kind of lifestyle, but still it gives a luxury vibe, right? There is a face shower or brushing for brushing teeth here. There is this particular area for what? For toilet, and right next to it is the shower area. Okay, that's how it looks like, and from there we can do the 360 view of our bathroom and toilet area. That, I think that is enough. You have been provided with 2 glasses. You have been provided with 2 soaps as well, shower cup and the soap. And here you can see a very beautiful mirror here also to just look yourself, your face and all that after you have showered or before. It depends. And you will also see you have been provided with 2 towels, yeah, and tissue and all that. You can see over there. So let's go back. So coming out, so we are just here where we stopped. So as you enter the room itself, you realize on your right there is a place to hang clothes. Yeah, there is a place to hang clothes, and this one I think it is just another duvet. In case you sleep here like more than one day, they usually change. So there is a laundry back here and all that. Yeah, wardrobe. Yeah, so right next to it, this is just my bag. I've just arrived. I'll dismantle and rearrange again. So there's this area for wardrobes if you need. These are just more storage areas if you need. So there is also a TV here, just directly opposite your bed, and there is a working table here. It's more of a kitchen area or a work table, whatever you call it. So this one is the gift. I'll be talking about it in our next video. Yeah, so we have also been provided with water. So this it was locked. I just opened it because I was thirsty. Okay, let me pause there. I sip some water before we continue. Right next to the screen or TV, there is also this particular mirror here. There is a button for lights. There is light up here. There is light up here actually. Yeah, so this is the button or switch for that particular light. You can see that is reflecting over here, right? Let's not waste energy. There is also here you have been provided with milk. I think this one is milk, some cookies, this one sugar, I think these are just tea leaves and all that, and yeah, Nescafe. If you don't want to sleep, you can use this. Yeah, so, and also 2 cups, a kettle is an electric kettle, and also this particular other small kettle. And there is some note here. You're told, dear guest, for your safety in our city, we encourage you to take precaution. Yeah, so some safety guidelines for the visitors, and that is it. And also, you have been provided with some chair here where you can sit and do your stuff. A bin to put your dust or that, and those are just my shoes. There is also this chair. I have put some things here. So this is a chair for comfort. Yeah, and also here I think there is this lamp. Yeah, there is this lamp if you need some more lighting in it. Yeah, and next to it there is this particular lamp, and there is that one besides the bed. So those are just my air ticket, passport, yellow fever, and all that on that particular. And now the most important place is now the bed. Let's try the comfy. Just like the other one, I think it is also comfortable, and that's how it is. That's how it looks like. And yeah, so this is where I'll be spending my nights tonight and the following day, and then the other day I'll be flying back to Nairobi. So guys, I think you have seen where I'll be spending my night tonight, and I just wanted to show you something wonderful, right? The view from this particular room, what I can see out right there, right? So let's look at what I can see from the window. The window view. From the window, what I can see from here is, let's open a little bit. So yeah, so that is the entrance where I just entered, right? Yeah, so I entered through that one, as you can see. That is the entrance. From here, you enter from here, and then you go around this way, just like this guy is doing. Yeah, then you drop your passenger there. Yeah, and on top of that, if you saw our previous video, I was filming this particular building, and just adjacent to it, there is this mall that we were moving around, where there is that Nelson Mandela statue, and next to it I can see a city over there, and something cool here. This particular building, this is Old Mucho Towers. Let me try to zoom and see if I can see it. Yeah, that is Old Mucho Johannesburg office. And also, if you just follow me, just followed the video, I was lucky to visit that particular building, the Old Mucho Towers. I was invited there actually. And there is this other one called Sasina here. Very, very good architectural. Yeah, and in this Netcare, there is also Netcare here. Yeah, you realize that engineers in this particular country, they really work like extra hard, actually, if I may, the lack of words. Yeah, so this particular hotel that I'm actually spending the night in is called Garden Court. Yeah, so that is it. And as you can see, yeah, so I don't know what to say, but that's where I'll be spending the night. And see you guys. Bye bye.